So Blackmagic just pushed out a new version of their camera app, version 3.1.2. And while it's mostly bug fixes, there's one huge change that a lot of us have been waiting for. Apple Log now works with OpenGate recording. Let's break it down, what's new, why it matters, and what it means for your iPhone filmmaking. Previously, if you were shooting Apple Log on an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any of the 16 Pro models, you couldn't unlock OpenGate recording. You had to switch back to Rec 709. Now with version 3.1.2, you can finally shoot 1920 by 1440 OpenGate with Apple Log. This means that you get the flat, flexible log profile and the full sensor readout. This is huge for creators who want to crop for different aspect ratios in post. Some of the other fixes and improvements are the stabilization toggle now works properly. Before, some users couldn't switch it off. Lets You Import can now be used immediately without restarting the app. They've also fixed the recording failure bug on iOS 26. On the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, there was an orientation issue with ProRes RAW, which is now resolved when the orientation lock is enabled. And some general performance and stability fixes have been fixed in this update as well. You no longer have to choose between Apple Log or OpenGate, you can get both now. And in case you miss my full breakdown of the 3.1 update, I'll link it down in the description below. And as always, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.